Civil aviation regulations require that passengers comply with the safety information that has been given to you. We know many of you fly frequently, so to reinforce what you already know and to enable those around you to hear our safety procedures, we ask that you give us your full attention. Please fasten your seatbelts now. To do this, insert the flat metal tip into the buckle. Pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top of the buckle and pull apart. In preparation for takeoff, bring your chair to the upright position and store your tray table. Open your window shades and put your armrest down. Please observe the fasten seatbelt and no smoking sign. Blankets will not be used at this time. Emergency exits are clearly identified by red and white exit signs. There are 2 doors at the back and 2 emergency exits at the front. Look around now, locate the exits to the closest to you.
Belfast while sitting. A gentle reminder that all masks must be worn. Try that your nose and mouth are fully covered. Thank you.
Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain's whistle of the fasten seatbelt sign. This is an indication that we are parked at a great position and it is now safely to move about the cabin. Do remember when leaving to take all your belongings and do exercise caution when opening the door and lockers. As items are may have shifted during flight, may involve causing injury to you or others nearby. Should you require any assistance, please check with our ground personnel inside the terminal, like to take an opportunity to wish you a safe and pleasant home journey. Just a reminder that smoking is only permitted in designated smoking areas outside of the terminal. Ladies and gentlemen, as we continue to observe COVID-19 social distancing protocol, you will disembark the aircraft in an orderly manner, starting from the back of the aircraft. Once the person seated in the seat behind you have disembarked the aircraft, then you may retrieve your personal items and proceed to the exit. Remind you to maintain a safe distance between yourself and the passenger in front of you. We do anticipate your full cooperation. On behalf of Captain Joseph Ackley and Mr. Terrence Bunty, we would like to thank you for the services of the Urban and today. Thank you, man.